वाला भी है। कंटिन्यू।
Hello, friends. This is Sanjay Agarwal. So I'm here. This is the last interview for the day. Today we are in the exhibition area of Urja Bharta 2024. The Minister, Honorable Minister Hardeep Puriji just inaugurated this. We had the additional secretary present. We had DG Hydrocarbons, ma'am was there, and the ONGC chairman was there. The Oil India chairman was there, and there are a lot of people here. So we have this company. It says Innovation Factory, not Y Factory. So we have two gentlemen. They'll talk about their company. पहले वो अपना introduction दे देंगे. About yourself.
Yeah. My name is Ayush Agarwal. I'm a domain data scientist subsurface at Schlumberger. And
Where's it based out of your company?
so we are currently based in Gurgaon.
Okay.
The innovation factory is recently inaugurated last month, and we have opened a new office in Gurgaon.
Wonderful. You will. Yeah. Hi. Your introduction.
Hi, I'm Abhinav Chawla. I'm a domain data scientist. So basically, Innovation Factory is an entity of Schlumberger, and it's one of the global setups that we have in India. There are globally 7 setups, and India is one of the setups where we plan to enhance the oil and gas industry workflows using AI/ML techniques.
Wonderful. AI. Because AI is also my interesting. I'm writing a book on that. So you want to add about your company and what's the way forward? What's the future when you're competing, in the world, and Prime Minister wants India to stay ahead of that curve, and 2047 we want to be a developed nation. So what's your contribution and what do you feel about it?
So the goal of Innovation Factory for SLB is to leverage the ENP expertise as well as the AI expertise which Schlumberger has to solve unique customer challenges and to help them convert their ideas from concepts into enterprise scale digital solutions.
Okay, and today when you're participating among the, I would say the global means it's represented, because all the companies I met and interviewed them, they are working with the best. They're partnering with the best. So you want to add something to this? And you said about AI. So
Yeah.
what do you think is going to be the major? What are the challenges what would face you people or anybody else on the AI front?
So basically, Schlumberger has always been into oil and gas sector, providing services, be it on the operations side or on the solution side. Now with Innovation Factory, we want to moving ahead with time. We are enhancing the technologies that are there as present. We are not trying to recreate the technology, but what we are trying to do is ease the technology, how we work with the technology by enhancing the workflows, which normally helps us to reduce the time and enhance the performance based on the data that we have. Now, when we talk about the global setup, yes, we have global tie-ups with multiple clients. We recently, if you see the news, we have had a recent tie-up with Total. We have global presence, right? Schlumberger is a global company, and we have global presence. We have multiple tie-ups, and it's worldwide known that the solutions that we provide are one of the unique solutions that we provide. You want to add something?
You want to add something, and you can talk
I'll
about
just
yeah.
talk about the vision of
Just
SLB.
concluding
Yeah,
remarks.
so SLB is basically a global technology company driving
Which
energy
year
innovation.
was it founded? If you could just
It
tell
is
more about
I
how
think
old is it?
It is more than 100-year-old company.
Really?
Yeah.
That is another
Yeah.
century-old company. Yeah.
So it's a global technology company driving energy innovation for a balanced planet.
Wonderful. So thank you. We'll end it at this. So everybody who wants to have the feel of these people, the companies here, and they want to have their own questions, so they should come here. Otherwise, आप हमारे को भी लिख सकते हैं. You can address the question in the comment box, because normally I ask everybody not to praise the guy who's interviewing. You need to talk about what we need to do to improve or what the company जिसका भी हम लोग कर रहे हैं. If you have any question, because then that question can be addressed to them. So then you'll get your solutions. So this is Anjay Agarwal signing off at Urja Varta 2024. This is 11th and 12th of July at the Bharat Mandapam Pragati Maidan.